Hold on. There you go. How's that? Okay, there. What? No, he's not. Pick up this rope so he doesn't drop it. Give me a big smile if you're playing with him. You got all pouty faced. Oh, he says, yeah, right there. No, Monstro. Don't let him eat my stuff. No. There you go. Oops, that's okay. I'll get that. Well, push his head away. Push his head away. No, you can do it. Push his head with the hand. Just push him nicely away with the other hand. What do you got in your hand? Oh, there's rope. Don't move your knee. Bump your knee at him. Bump his nose. There you go. Do it again. Don't let him bite you. There you go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Don't scare him too much. Then he'll be afraid to have you touch him. He's ready for his snacks. Watch your fingers. What are you two doing? Pull his head away. Just get your balance and pull his head. Okay, that's pushing him. There you go. There you go.